Students, in subject maths first, topic number 4, ratio and proportional. We had seen what is mean by ratio, how to write ratio of first to second, second to first. Also we had seen comparison of ratios, and in last video we had seen operations on equal ratios. You remember the operations on equal ratios? There are 5 types of different operations, that is properties of equal ratio. We had seen in last video. What are the operations or properties? Let's recall first. First we had seen the property invertendo. Means if A upon B is equal to B upon A, then if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then B upon A is equal to D upon C. Second we had seen invertendo, alternando. Here if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we change this. A upon C is equal to B upon D. And in invertendo, A upon B is equal to C upon D, then B upon A is equal to D upon C. Okay. Then componendo, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon B. Then dividendo, A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon B. Okay, very good. Last component and dividendo, if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus B upon C minus B. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. We had all seen these properties. Similarly, today we will see some more application of properties of equal ratio. We have to use all these properties and we solve some various types of example on practice set 4.3. So let's start solve examples on practice set 4.3, question number 4. What is given question number 4? We have already completed question 1, 2 and 3. Question number 4 is what given? See, solve x square plus 12x minus 20 divided by 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 2x plus 3. See how to find this. Here you observe denominator is 3x minus 5. If I multiply this denominator by 4, what becomes? 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. Here is 12 and 20. Yes. So we make this denominator same as 12x minus 20. Then we can do dividendo and get cancelled. Okay. So I here multiply denominator by 4. Means multiply both sides by 1 upon 4. Okay. First write down the given. X square plus 12x minus 20 upon 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 2x plus. Observe here, if we I here multiply by 4, 4 3s are 14, sorry 4 3s are 12x and 4 5s are 20. Here 4 2s are 8x, 4 3s are 12. So here I multiply both sides by 1 upon 4. Multiplying both sides of equation by 1 upon 4. See what becomes. Yeah, if I multiply by 1 upon 4, this remains as it is. X square plus 12x minus 20 divided by 3x minus 5 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 2x plus 3.
here I multiply with 1/4. Multiply with 1/4. What gets? See, in numerator x square plus 12x minus 20 as it is. 4 ने मल्टीप्लाई करायचं आहे. मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4. 4 3 जा 12x प्लस मायनस 4 5 जा 20 इज इक्वल टू x square plus 8x plus 12 as it is. Okay, multiply with 4. 4 2 जा 8x plus 4 3 जा 12. Now observe here 12x minus 20 minus 20. 8x plus 12 plus 12. So I do here operation dividendo. So the name is given application of properties of equal ratio. आपण इक्वल रेशोच्या प्रॉपर्टीज ह्याच्यामध्ये यूज करणार आहे. ऍप्लिकेशन म्हणजे त्याचा वापर करणार आहे आपण. म्हणून इथं आपण त्याचा वापर केलेला आहे. बाय युजिंग dividendo. What becomes by using dividendo? See, in dividendo you subtract numerator minus denominator and denominator as it is. Okay, what is the property of dividendo? Numerator minus denominator divided by denominator as it is. So here numerator is x square plus 12x minus 20 minus denominator 12x minus 20 upon 12x minus 20 is equal to here x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x plus 12 whole divided by 8x plus 12 means what becomes here? See, therefore first bracket as it is x square plus 12x minus 20 as it is. Okay, minus, change the sign, minus plus minus, minus 12x, then minus minus plus 20 whole divided by 12x minus 20 is equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 minus plus minus, minus plus minus means minus 8x minus 12 divided by 8x plus 12. Okay, understand up to this step? Now see what get cancelled. Plus 12x minus 12x minus 20 plus 20 get cancelled. 8x minus 8x 12 minus 12 get cancelled. Okay, so remains x square upon 12x minus 20 is equal to x square upon 8x plus 12. See here, numerator is same x square. Therefore, I put if the value of x is 0, then the both equations are true. Okay. Therefore, for x is equal to 0, the equation is true. आहे का बघा? x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 ठेवली तर काय मिळणार आहे आपल्याला? 0 डिवाइडेड बाय समथिंग म्हणजे आन्सर काय येणार आहे? 0 येणार आहे. म्हणजे 0 डिवाइडेड बाय समथिंग म्हणजे 0 येणार आहे. म्हणजे LHS आणि RHS सेम होणार आहे का 0 ठेवलं तर? अँड इफ x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, x ची व्हॅल्यू जर 0 नसेल तर दोन कंडिशन असू शकतात. x ची व्हॅल्यू एकतर 0 असेल अदरवाइज नॉट 0. x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असताना इक्वेशन ट्रू होतंय. आता x नॉट इक्वल टू 0 असेल तर काय ते व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे x स्क्वेअर पण काय होणार आहे? नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होणार आहे का? जर x 0 नसेल तर x स्क्वेअर पण 0 होणार नाही. Therefore, by dividing equation by x square, we call this as equation 1. Dividing equation 1 by x square. याला x square ने divide करा काय येईल बघा? x square ने divide केलं की x square cancel होईल काय? Dividing by x square केलं तर x square cancel होईल. Therefore, what remains? 1 upon 12x minus 20 is equal to 1 upon 8x plus 12. Okay, येईल का? Therefore what becomes C here? Cross multiply करा. 8x plus 12 is equal to 12x minus 20. Therefore 12x as it is, take 8x on RHS, here 12 as it is, take here plus 20, means here 32. 12x minus 8x, 4x. Therefore x is equal to 32 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are. Therefore x is equal to 8. Therefore the value of x is 0 or x is equal to 8. This is the solution of the given equation. Okay, understand how to solve? See, first here given equation C. Observe numerator and denominator. Here there is 3, so multiply with 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Therefore I here multiply both sides by 1 upon 4. Okay. Then by using dividendo, you subtract numerator minus denominator divided by denominator and then simplify. Okay. Now see the second example. 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Observe here, the given equation is 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x square minus 25x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 3 upon x minus 5. Here one of the equal ratio properties of equal ratios we apply here. First apply we here alternando. Alternando काय होते आपण हे दोन चेंज करते काय? By using alternando. See, by using alternando, what becomes 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 25x
plus 12
upon x minus 5. Why I do this alternando? Because see here, observe, if I here multiply by 5x, 5 2s are 10x square and 5 3s are 15x. Okay, and here 5x square, 5x into 5, 25x. So I use the first second property alternando. Okay, now multiplying both sides by how much? 5 2s are 10 and x means 5x. Multiply both sides by 5x. 1 upon 5x. Multiply both sides by 1 upon 5x. See what becomes? 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 upon x minus 5. Here we multiply by 1 upon 5x. 1 upon 5x. Okay. What becomes? 10x square plus 15x plus 63 upon 5x into 2x. 10x square. 5x plus 3. 15x is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 divided by 5x into x. 5x square plus minus 5 5s are 25x. Now which operation we do here? See here 10x square 15x 15x. If we add, then 20 becomes 20x square. Therefore, we here subtract. Means which operation? Dividendo. By using dividendo. Numerator, what is the numerator? 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus 10x square plus 15x all divided by 10x square plus 15x is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus 5x square minus 25x divided by 5x square minus 25x. Okay, understand this step? Now subtract 10x square plus 15x plus 63 minus plus minus 10x square minus plus minus 15x whole divided by 10x square plus 15x is equal to 5x square minus 25x plus 12 minus plus minus 5x square minus minus plus 25x divided by 5x square minus 25x. Okay, what we cancel? See here, 10x square minus 10x square get cancel, 15x minus 15x cancel, 5x square 5x square minus 25x plus 25x get cancelled. Okay, so what remains here? 63 upon 10x square plus 15x is equal to 12 upon 5x square minus 25x. Okay, now cross multiply. You do cross multiply. 63 into bracket 5x square minus 25x is equal to 12 into bracket 10x square plus 15x. See here, 12 इकडे लिहू शकतो की आपण बघा 12 इकडे घ्या काय होईल 63 upon 12 into bracket 5x square minus 25x is equal to 10x square plus 15x. 3 4 जा 12, 3 2 जा 3 1 जा. Therefore 21 as it is into bracket 5x square minus 25x is equal to 4 ला पुन्हा इकडे घ्या 4 into bracket 10x square plus 15x multiply 21 into 5 105x square minus 25 1 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50, 52. Okay, right? Then here 40x square plus 60x. What is answer? See here, 105x square. Take here minus 40x square is equal to 60x plus 525x. X square common kada or not? 105x square minus 40x square. How many? 65x square is equal to here 5, 6 plus 2 8, 5. That is answer is C. What is the answer? Next step. 65x square is equal to 585x. Therefore, x square divided by x is equal to 585 divided by 65. Okay, understand this step? 1x get cancelled. X is equal to 5 1 जा 5, 5 3 जा 15, 5 1 जा 5, 5 1 जा 5, 5 7 जा 35. Okay, 13 1 जा 13, 13 9 जा 170. Therefore x is equal to 9. What is the value of x, sir? 9. Okay, understand this. Here up to this as usual, like first example. Okay, then here you cross multiply. Okay, then here 12 multiplied becomes divided. 3 4 जा 3 2 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3. 21 as it is. Here 4 is divided by, get multiply both sides here 4 by and here by 21 and simplify, you get the answer x is equal to 9. Okay, understand the second example. Now see the third example. It is given in root, square root. Okay, only difference is here we had given here square root. Root 4x plus 1 plus root x plus 3 divided by root 4x plus 1 minus root x plus 3 is equal to 4 upon 1. Here which operation we can do? Can you guess which operation we here do? Component of dividendo. Okay, right. Here we do the component of dividendo. Here component and dividendo is given. So we make once again component and dividendo by using component of dividendo. See here, first component of dividendo means at the numerator we add numerator plus denominator. At the denominator we subtract numerator and denominator. So write first numerator. What is the numerator here? Root 4x plus 1 plus root x plus 3. Then plus root 4x plus 1 minus root x plus 3 whole divided by. Component means this numerator plus denominator. Okay, and dividendo numerator minus denominator. Numerator is root 4x plus 1 plus root x plus 3 minus root 4x plus 1 minus root x plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. Okay, now remove the bracket. Root 4x plus 1 plus root x plus 3 plus root 4x plus 1 minus root x plus 3 whole divided by root 4x plus 1 plus root x plus 3 minus plus minus root 4x plus 1 minus minus plus root x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 1 5 divided by 4 minus 1 3. Okay, cancel here x plus 3 and minus root x plus 3 get cancelled, and see here root 4x plus 1 and minus root 4x plus 1 here get cancelled. So what remains? Root 4x plus 1 plus root 4x plus 1 means 2 times here. Okay, 2 times root 4x plus 1 divided by what remains at the denominator? Root x plus 3 plus root x plus 3 means 2 times root x plus 3 is equal to at the RHS 5 upon 3 as it is. Okay, understand here up to this step? 2 get cancelled. Therefore remains root 4x plus 1 divided by root x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 3. But we have to solve this example, means we have to find the value of x. Okay, for finding value of x, here given root. So we here for cancelling root, which operation we can done? We can do we have to cancel root. We have to cancel the sign root. So which operation we will done here?
Square.
Squaring both side. आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट करायचं असेल काय करायचं? स्क्वेअरिंग करायचं. म्हणजे स्क्वेअर रूट जाणार आहे काय? Therefore squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What becomes? Square root get cancelled. 4x plus 1 remains. And here x plus 3. And here 5 square 25 and 3 square
9.
Okay. For cancelling square root, we square both sides. Now it is simple. You learn in 8th standard linear equation in one variable. Cross multiply and calculate. 9 into bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to 25 into bracket x plus 3. 9 4 जा 36x plus 9 1 जा
9.
25x plus 25 3 जा
75.
Therefore 36x
Minus 25.
is equal to 75 minus 9. 36x minus 25x 11x is equal to 66. Therefore x is equal to 66 upon 11. Therefore x is equal to 6. Okay. रूट टाइम काय करायचं आहे फक्त इथं बघा त्याच नंबरचा ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन असेल किंवा न्यूमरेटर मध्ये सबट्रॅक्शन असेल आणि खाली ऍडिशन असेल तर पहिला काय करून घ्यायचं इन्व्हर्टेंडो करून घ्यायचं पहिला म्हणजे वर काय होणार आहे ऍडिशन आणि खाली काय होणार आहे मग सबट्रॅक्शन आणि मग कॉम्पोनंटो डिव्हिडंडो वापरायचं एक्झाम्पल मध्ये असं बघू शकतात त्याच नंबरचं बघा इथं ऍडिशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शन इथं असेल तर कॉम्पोनंटो डिव्हिडंडो यूज करायचा आपण म्हणजे एक कॅन्सल होते न्यूमरेटर मध्ये एक कॅन्सल होते आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये एक कॅन्सल होतो आणि हे साइन वर असेल आणि खाली असेल तर फर्स्ट स्टेप इन्व्हर्टेंडो करून घ्यायचं आणि सेकंड स्टेप कॉम्पोनंटो डिव्हिडंडो करून घ्यायचं ओके अंडरस्टँड 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 2x plus 3 bracket square upon 4x square plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 61 upon 36. Here you observe at denominator observe करा. Can you write denominator in terms of square? A plus b bracket square. Can you write the denominator in terms of a plus b bracket square? See here 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 2x plus 3 bracket square as it is. Here 61 as it is, 36 as it is. See, you can write this denominator as square a plus b bracket square in terms of a plus b bracket square. See how to write square root of 4x square 2x and square root of 9 is 3 middle sign plus. Observe that this becomes 2x plus 3 bracket square is this or not 2x square is 4x square okay plus काय एक्सपेंशन फॉर्म्युला याचा a plus b bracket square काय आहे a square plus 2ab plus b square. a square म्हणजे काय येणार आहे 2x चा स्क्वेअर आला का 4x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2ab 2 into a and p म्हणजे 2 into 2 4 4 into 3 12 12 into x 12x आला का आणि 3 स्क्वेअर काय येणार आहे 9. म्हणजे शोधू काय आपण नेहमी काय लिहितोय a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square असं लिहितोय आपण असं लिहितोय काय पण हे एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण असं लिहिलेलं आहे ह्याच्याबद्दल असं लिहिलेलं आहे लक्षात लगा आणि तर ही स्टेप महत्त्वाची इथं therefore now here observe this is 2x plus 3 bracket square here also 2x plus 3 bracket square here both are plus so which operation we can do so that it get cancelled component or dividend for cancellation component केले की दोघांची ऍडिशन होणार आहे ऍड होणार ना त्यात we have to cancel one of the term so we use the operation dividend by using dividend property कोणतं ऑपरेशन करायचं हे पण लक्षात द्यायला पाहिजे तुम्हाला. प्लस प्लस दोघांचं सेम आहे, कॅन्सल करायचं आपल्याला. त्यामुळे आपण काय करणार आहे, डिव्हिडंड वापरणार आहे. 4x plus 1 bracket square plus 2x plus 3 bracket square as it is, minus this minus 2x plus 3 bracket square divided by 2x plus 3 bracket square is equal to 61 minus 36 upon 36, because in the dividend law denominator is same. At the numerator we divide numerator minus we subtract numerator minus denominator. Okay, this get cancelled. Okay, plus and minus, so it get cancelled. So what remains here, 4x plus 1 bracket square divided by 2x plus 3 bracket square is equal to 61 minus 36, 25 upon 36. In last example there is square root sign. For cancelling square root we make square. Okay, now in this example here square term is present, so for cancelling square we take square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, what do we get? We will get 4x plus 1 bracket square. The square root काय येणार आहे, 4x plus 1 स्क्वेअर स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल होते ना. 2 स्क्वेअरचा स्क्वेअर रूट कसं काढणार आपण, 2 येते ना त्याचं, येते का. Similarly here square root of 4x plus 1 bracket square is 4x plus 1. Okay, is it right or not? Yes. And square root of 2x plus 3 bracket square is 2x plus 3 is equal to 25 square root काय आहे, 5 upon 6. Now cross multiply, 6 into bracket 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 into bracket 2x plus 3. Therefore 6 4s are 24x plus 6 is equal to 10x plus 15. Now you may simplify this. Okay, 24x minus 10x is equal to 15 minus 6. 24x minus 10x 14x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 upon 14. This is your last answer. Okay, we are seeing 4 example. Each 4 example are of various different kinds. In first 2 example we do component do, first inverted do. Okay, in third example there is square root sign. For cancelling square root sign we make the square. And in last example, this fourth example, there is square term, and at the denominator it is trinomial. Okay, quadratic trinomial. Quadratic है क्या है, and trinomial है क्या. We make this quadratic trinomial in terms of a plus b bracket square. हा quadratic trinomial आपण a plus b bracket square या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिला आहे. लिहिला आहे काय, कसं लिहिलं असलेलं, हा पहिल्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट घ्यायचं, शेवटचं स्क्वेअर रूट घ्यायचं आणि मिडल साईड प्लस असेल तर प्लस, मायनस असेल तर मायनस, आणि चेक करायचं नंतर ए प्लस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आले काय बरोबर चेक करायचं. हां, आता स्क्वेअरिंग आला म्हणजे दोन बोथ आर सेम. therefore we use the dividend property, numerator minus denominator divided by denominator is equal to numerator minus denominator divided by denominator. This get cancelled. स्क्वेअर टर्म आहे, मग स्क्वेअर टर्म म्हणल्यास आपण काय केलं, स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलेला आहे. ह्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट म्हणजे स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल होणार आहे, म्हणजे काय राहणार आहे फक्त 4x plus 1, आणि इथे काय राहणार आहे 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now this is we are learning 8th standard. Simplify we get 9 upon 14. Okay, so students, we have seen ratio and proportional topics, application of properties of equal ratios, that is examples in the practice set 4.3, question number 4. I had given here 4 example in that question number 4. Remaining examples solve you at your home. Okay, and also complete the practice set 4.3 completely in your notebook. Okay.